Dun, 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 dun. Alright, okay, let's do this. Alright, let's do this. Oh my gosh, alright. You know what we're doing? Let's beat this level! Okay, let's do some shots. Explosion! Ha! They lose! Yeah, we're winning! Yeah. Alright, let's see what those stupid birds can do with this blueberry. See, look, he multiplies. Oh, he killed one of us. He actually killed two of us. Oh, he killed two of us. What are we gonna do? Oh, we have one left. Yeah, they're gonna lose. Aww. What are you guys doing? Ah! Sorry, Phoebe. How was your day? Horrible. I can't figure out how those Angry Birds win every single time. What's the secret? Is it physical? Is it mental? I know their secret. How? They have superpowers. No, they don't, you dick. Here, let me show you. Watch. So I press this bluebird, and then they multiply it to 3. See? How do you know this? I just downloaded the Angry Birds Magician app. This is not a magic app. It's an Angry Birds Seasons. Oh, yeah. See? They have special powers to defeat us. See? And we win. Okay. Wait. They have special powers? Yeah. That's it! All we need to do is make them so they don't have special powers, and we can rule the Angry Birds Islands and steal their eggs and eat them and make them be our slaves. Wow, you want a lot out of the Angry Birds. Mostly their eggs. Oh, okay. So, what's the plan? We destroy their superpowers. How in the heck are we supposed to do that? We'll sneak into their house at the night. But don't we need awesome music? Here, why don't we need some awesome music? Here, see, I got some at the App Store. Oh, come on, man. Stop being a loser. We must find. Alright, so we go to their houses while they're at night, sleeping, so we don't know they're there. That's a genius idea. And they not know where they're there, and then we sneak, and then we steal their powers. Like medicine? Yes, like medicine. Okay. Yeah, let's do it. Let's go. Okay. Be very quiet. If we know we're here, we'll die. Don't make any sudden loud noises. Wait, did you say make sudden loud noises? I said don't make sudden loud noises. Okay. I'm a giant elephant! Yeah, I love being fat again! Ah, shut up, you dumb idiots! They might have heard you. Who goes there? Red Bird. King Pig, I knew you'd sleep up for the night. Not surprised. What are you up to this time? We're trying to, we were just, let's see, practicing rap music, see? No! Hey, what's it, dick face? Oh, okay, I'm sorry, kid. Oh, yeah? Let's do this. Oh. Hey, what are you doing? Oh my god. Hey, stop being me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, stop being a dick face. No, you're a dick face. Oh, you did not just say that. Oh, let's go. Oh my god. Stop fighting, you dick faces. You just called us a dick face. Yeah, I'm the King Pig. Oh, son of a god. Oh, my face. What the frick? Hi, green bird. Okay. What? Oh my god. Okay, I'm not falling for it. Aww. Why did you come? To devilize your superpowers? You have superpowers? What do you mean? You don't have superpowers just like you do in the App Store? The video games are make-believe. We don't have superpowers. And how do you always beat us? We have superpowers? Then why did you just say you didn't have superpowers? Gotta go live. Hey, Bombard, the pigs are invading our house. Oh my god! Pigs! Get the crap out of here! Oh yeah? Nobody's going to stop me from being evil. Okay. What is he doing? He's going to explode. No, there's like in his video game. Wait, in the video game he self-destructs? What do you think, you idiot? He looks like a bomb. He's going to erupt sooner or later. Oh my god. Oh my god. So they don't have superpowers? No. Of course don't. They don't have superpowers. What would you think? We have superpowers? No, we don't, Bombard. I can explode. We don't have superpowers. We're just birds that can self-destruct. I'm the bird that can self-destruct. The rest of them can do some other superpower. Oh well, good night. Giant vortex. Evil sword. King Pig invaded my mind, trying to. I need a glass of water. To be continued in part 2. I said to be continued in part 2.